Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to disable Copilot on Windows 11. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now the first thing you should do is to go to Windows, then choose Settings, then go to Personalization, Taskbar, then here you will find Copilot in Windows. Turn it off, then after that you will have to go to the search bar and type GP. Choose Edit Group Policy, click on it, then after that you will find here these options on the left, or these folders on the left. Choose Administrative Template, click on this arrow, then go down, click on Windows Components, then go down till you find here Windows Copilot, double click on it, then you will find here Turn Off Windows Copilot. Double click on it and open it. Then as you can see here, you should choose Enable instead of Not Configured. After that, click on Apply, then click on OK. And that is it. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.